Welcome back to Glowenvy, where we mix beauty, self-care, and a little DIY magic. If you love creative beauty projects and fun tutorials, hit that subscribe button because today, we're getting crafty. Soap cupcakes are a fun and creative way to add a touch of luxury to your bathroom. These delightful creations not only look beautiful, but also serve as functional soap bars that can be used for hand washing or even as decorative pieces. They look like real cupcakes, but they are actually soap. The intricate designs and realistic details make them almost too pretty to use. In this tutorial, we will be creating soap cupcakes with a nocturnal night vibe. This theme allows us to play with dark, rich colors and create a mysterious, enchanting look. This means we will be using dark, rich colors and scents that evoke the feeling of night. Think deep blues, purples, and perhaps a hint of silver or gold to mimic the stars. Soap making is a fun and rewarding hobby, but it is important to take safety precautions when working with lye. Lye is a necessary ingredient in soap making, but it must be handled with care. Lye is a caustic substance that can cause burns if it comes into contact with skin. Always be mindful of its potential hazards. Always wear gloves, eye protection, and long sleeves when working with lye. This protective gear will help prevent any accidental contact with your skin. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep children and pets away. Proper ventilation ensures that any fumes are safely dispersed. Now that we have covered the safety precautions, let's get started. Gather your materials, set up your workspace, and let's dive into the magical world of soap cupcakes. Before we begin, it's crucial to talk about safety. Safety should always be your top priority, especially when working with potentially hazardous materials. We'll be using lye, which is a powerful ingredient. Lye can cause serious burns if it comes into contact with your skin, so it's important to handle it with care. Lye helps turn oils into soap, but it needs to be handled carefully. The saponification process is fascinating, but it requires respect for the materials involved. Always wear gloves and eye protection when you work with lye. These protective measures are essential to prevent any accidents. It's also a good idea to wear long sleeves to protect your skin. Long sleeves provide an extra layer of protection against splashes. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated area too. Proper ventilation helps to disperse any fumes that may be released. Remember, safety comes first. Now that we've covered that, let's move on to the fun part. Making our soap. With safety measures in place, we can enjoy the creative process. To start, we'll prepare our soap base. We'll be using a blend of oils like cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil. These oils add moisturizing and lathering properties to our soap. We'll carefully melt our oils and then slowly add the lye solution. This mixture will need to be blended until it reaches a light trace, which means it's starting to thicken. Once our soap base is ready, we can move on to adding colors and scents to create our nocturnal theme. Now comes the exciting part, adding colors and scents. This is where your creativity can really shine. We'll divide our soap batter into several bowls and add dark blue and purple colorants to achieve that night sky effect. You can experiment with different shades to get the perfect look. For fragrance, we'll use a blend of lavender and vanilla essential oils for a calming and relaxing aroma. Feel free to mix and match your favorite scents to create a unique blend. Once our colors and scents are mixed in, we'll carefully pour the soap batter into our cupcake molds. Make sure to pour slowly to avoid any air bubbles. To create a beautiful swirl effect, we'll use a toothpick to blend the colors slightly. This step adds a touch of elegance to your soap cupcakes. After pouring, we'll let our soap cupcakes sit for 24 to 48 hours to harden. Patience is key here, as this allows the soap to set properly. Once they're firm, we can unmold them and admire our beautiful creations. Each soap cupcake will be unique, reflecting the care and creativity you put into making them. If you love this fun little project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications because here at Glowenvy, we're always making beauty a little more fun. See you in the next one.